Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at major suit raises and splinters, a splinter raise. Very interesting. The term splinter means that you actually make a jump at a level which is quite high, usually beyond what we have a natural meaning for, and you're showing by that jump that you have a singleton or void in that suit and very good support for partners major or minor opening. So the thing you've got to be careful about is that partner doesn't get mixed up about what is a splinter and what is not. So 1 heart from partner, pass, 4 diamonds from you, or 4 clubs, assuming you don't use Gerber, would be splinter raises, saying, partner, I've got a great support and fit for you, and I've got a singleton or void in the suit I jump to. So when you jump, you can't have partner thinking that it's a suit. So you have to jump to a level beyond what has a proper meaning. And that is, say, 1 heart, 2 diamonds would mean diamonds. 1 heart, 3 diamonds is various things, but it often is a Bergen raise. But 1 heart, 4 diamonds doesn't really have a meaning. So what we ascribe the meaning to is a good raise in partner's suit and a singleton or void in the suit you jump to. The great thing about splinters is that your partner then looks at what they've got in your shortage. And if they've got something that makes them feel great, like 4 small cards or ace and 3 small cards, then they might continue to slam. The way they would continue is by either Q bidding or bidding for no trumps, which is blackwood. The whole thing is about evaluating with partner, do your hands match? Apart from the trump suit, do they match in the side suits? Both opener and responder may splinter. It's more the domain of the responder, but it could go 1 club from opener, pass 1 heart from the responder, pass 4 diamonds or something like that from the opener. That would be a splinter saying, I like your hearts, partner, and I'm trying to show you a shortage. Or 1 diamond, pass 1 heart, pass 4 clubs. That wouldn't be a club suit. That would be a shortage saying you had great support for hearts. Splinters are incredibly good weapons once you and your partner have got organised and understand them. And the biggest thing is that a splinter shows about, as a responder, about 8 to 11 points and says, partner, I've got a shortage and I want you to know about that shortage. Over the shortage, responder or the opener, after they've heard responder bidding it, they would either show a control or blackwood, or if they don't like it, they'll just sign off in game. Try the hand I've given you. Have a great week, everyone. Is an opening 1 spade. 12 high card points, 5th spade, so open 1 spade and let's see what happens. 4 clubs from partner. That's a splinter. A splinter bid means that they have between, say, 8 or 9 up to about 11 points, and they've got very good spade support, at least 4 spades, if not 5, and a singleton or void club. That means that we don't have the club losers we might have thought we had based on our holding in clubs. So instead of having 3 or even 4 club losers, we know that there's only 1 or none. So it's a good time now to bid 4 diamonds, which is a Q bid, saying to partner, we like the information about clubs and we've got a control in diamonds. They say they've got a control in hearts. That'll be the king. We will now blackwood. This will be key card blackwood, and the answer shows 2 key cards with the Queen of Spades. So 6 spades is a good bet. We're missing one key card, but that's it. So there's the key card, the ace that we're missing. We'll lose that, but we won't lose any more clubs because partner said they only had one. Now they're drawing trumps for us. We will win the 10, play another spade over to the king. Now the trumps are drawn. Now let's go for the diamonds. King of diamonds, diamond up to the ace, and trump a diamond. Now cross to the king of hearts and trump another diamond. And this 8 of diamonds is good. So we can play the ace of hearts, trump a club. The diamond is good, so discard a club and trump this heart and trump the last club. So we made 12 tricks in spades, which was terrific. We made it because we had the information from the Splinter that partner had a singleton or void club.